Hi guys, and another update on the EA Black Dragon, which we're running as an experiment. Just looking on the screen here, you'll see my original IC Markets account. You'll see that there's a current open position of minus £103, but going to the history, you'll see that we're actually have made over $1,000 profit already, considering we started the other day, 2 days ago, so on 625, we've more than made 100% on our account, because if you look here, my total amount is 1500, well, 1545, and what I've done is I put it onto my FX book, and you can see, Black Dragon. So you can see we've made 132%, $1,000 on the initial. What did we start thinking? It was 625, wasn't it? Yeah, so you can see it's made a load of trades already. It's made a load of trades already. And what's the other thing that's useful is if you look at the summary, you can see what's done the best. The pound dollar has made the most. It's made almost $900. But this is the one which I found to be the most riskiest. Or the USD CAD is the one which I'm not trading anymore, because what I'm seeing with the author's results is that this one overall doesn't make money, although for the past couple of days it has. And Kiwi CAD we've just started, and it's made a few trades and made some money. The gold one is the one that I think seems to be the safest for this type of trading. If we go back to the charts here, these lines, basically, the sort of the green horizontal lines are what the market needs to get to get to a sell and buy. So if the market is bouncing between these lines, then we continue to make profit. The problem is if we stray too far from a particular line and their positions open, then that's when we get into trouble. So you can see here that gold is just making loads of trades and generally in profit. But if we look at the pound dollar, if I zoom out a bit, you see that it's not making a constant number of profits. It's literally waiting for a big move, and then it closes everything in one go. And obviously that is pretty risky, because if you look at this one here, which we looked at yesterday, big win here, 357, and this was literally here, selling, and so this was this is selling all the way, and we needed a selling all the way up. And if it continued going up, and only reason why it went down was because of the interest rate decision. And likewise, at night time, it was continued selling into an uptrend here, but luckily it did go down, and we were able to get out. So I'm seeing that the pound dollar is a lot more risky to trade, and I do like the pound, the gold, because we get lots of constant wins. And what that means is I'm actually thinking of upping the trade size for these ones. So rather than 0.01 to start off with, I'm going for 0.1, so I'm going 10 times larger. And I'm going to show you here some analysis which I've done on Excel spreadsheet. So this is some of the history which I've downloaded from our trading, and as you see, most of the trades 0.01. Only a couple of times it goes up to 0.04. And if I look at this one, you can see that this is pound dollar. I get quite a few, big ones, 0.058. That means that it's had quite a series of losses before it's able to claw that money back. So, I don't want to take too much risk, but I'm thinking with gold, these are the current profits which we're seeing in gold. And this account, by the way, is my RoboFox account, which I'll show you in a second. So I've made 26.27, so $26. Now, if I make it bigger, in theory, I would have made 262 in literally just 2 days. If I were had more money, or if I were to accept more risk, I could possibly go one lot, and that would have generated 2,627. And likewise, if I went five, and the reason why I put five is I noticed the author, because he's seeing a set. We can get quite often a set of wins like this. He starts most of his trading with a five lot on gold. Now, if you do that, and considering if your account hasn't blown, taking 2 days, it would have made 13,000 already. I don't think I'm brave enough to do that yet, especially for my size account. It's only $1,000, but certainly I'm going to go for the 0.1. And if we're as lucky as it has been the last couple of days, it would have made 262 on the 1,000 count, and that's just for gold. And if we count, so if we look at, you can see already it's made 239 with pound dollar. And what I'm looking at here is my new account, which I've set up with RoboForex. I mentioned RoboForex because this one has the 2,000 to 1 margin. I put in, you can see here, let's go to history. I put in $1,000. That was yesterday, and today it's already made 290. So it's made 30% already in 1 day. And currently, get some open trades, but so long as it goes up and down, it should be fine. If we see a big move, and to be honest, we may see a big move today. It is NFP. Non-farm payrolls today, and that could trigger big movement in the markets. A lot of people would have closed all the trades or just wait out today, but I'm going to just see how it goes and see if we can make a profit. This one I've also made a MyFX book. So my Black Dragon on RoboForex, and as you can see, 30% already in 1 day. This is pretty crazy trading, high risk, and I know that this count will blow. These counts will blow at some point, but I want it to get to 100%, possibly more, and then I'm going to start taking some money out, or at least get the count to 1,000. I let it run from there and start taking money out. I don't want to risk my initial deposit. So I hope that was interesting. I will speak to you soon.